In the kitchen, and that's the thing there. Ziggy Best, Chef Patrick Simpson, my brother, straight into the thing. What I
tonight, we're going to do some crawfish, Cajun crawfish, and I'm going to put it right now, loaded baked potato. Don't get it twisted. You want to see this. In the kitchen. Now my oil, get my virgin olive oil, nice and looking real good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to bring all my spices and stuff from one right next to me. So you see what I'm going right this one. Alright? That's a pan with my garlic. Alright? Cajun crawfish. I'm going to put them right inside of a loaded potato. My green pepper. My red pepper. Saute them up real good, make them look real good. And I already have a pre-diced tomato. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Then I'm gonna go for a little bit of my Cajun season, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. That's what I'm talking about. Looking real good. Alright, I go for make them saute down a little bit. I want 2 nice pieces of butter. I want a nice flavor. My butter melt down. Alright, drop in some fresh thyme. Because you know me already. I always like to cook with my fresh thyme. Get my nice flavor going. Alright. You can cook up a little bit. Nice. I want a little bit more onion. And a little bit more garlic. Alright, then I'm going to go for my crawfish. Nice crawfish, nicely tender, and then this is gonna go right into the loaded potato with some nice Parmesan cheese on the top. I have some caramelized onion that I already caramelized because more flavor from the caramelized onion. All right, and then I'm gonna drizzle some lemon right over in, so I can have that nice lemon flavor. See how that bad boy look good, nice and flavorful. Sprinkle on top of him, and then I'm gonna go for my tomato. All the recipes online, so you can follow along. My tomato paste. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, keep that lock right there and go and watch that cook. I'm sure we're gonna do right. I'm gonna take my Cajun crawfish and I'm gonna put right inside it. Look at that. Nice potato skin, looking real good. Full them up. This is something simple and something easy. You want to make something different at home, guys. Make sure you're following along, guys. And I'm gonna sprinkle some nice cheese on the top, and then it's gonna go right into the oven and get that bad boy, get a nice toast on the top. So this you want to stay. So stick around and watch all that now, because I'm going to put this on the skillet, turn off the stove, put this on the skillet nicely. I'm going to go right on it, the salamander with this. That's what I'm talking about. Looking real good. This is something real simple and something real easy. I'm going to show you what's going to happen now, because I'm going to make a nice little cut. And you can see my hands are clean. So you want to make sure your hands are clean. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. On this, so the people can't see like the juice. See that? I'm not just a Jamaican chef. We talk about international. Simple. Alright, this is all we're doing. Another episode of In the Kitchen. And you just saw what I cooked a while ago. Listen, that crawfish, loaded potato, it was crazy.